Hello, welcome back. We are still on CapCut. We are on sound. The last time we talked about sound, we talked about this type of sounds here, the ones that are here. You choose from any of this and we added it to our video. Okay, there is another type of sound here. If you scroll or you go to the right side, you see sound effects. We talked about it yesterday. It's about effects like this. You can listen to this. You see, these are sound effects. You are creating a scene, so you need sound that match. Let me see. Maybe you get clapping sound in this. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, you can see we have clap here. Okay, so this is how, or this the benefit of this type of sound effects. Now let's go to the next one, which is extract. This one, you have a video with a sound, but you need the audio to attach to this video, or you need an audio which you found in a video. So you need that video, you want to add it to your video. Tap on it. When you tap on it, look at any video here. For instance, this one,
this is the kind of confidence.
add it to it. It will take only the sound from the video for you. You can see this is the second one here. Let me delete the first sound. So this is the one we extracted. You can see, if you zoom, you can see extracted from a video. So this is how we do it. In case you have a video, there is a sound in the video, you want to use the sound. So you come to extract. You extract it from the video. And the last one here is voiceover. The voiceover is you have a video and you want to add something to the video. You want to add your voice to the video. For instance, you have a video here which the sound here is bad. So you want to add that new sound to it, your own voice, or you want to sing alongside the video. You want to say something alongside the video, you come to voiceover. Like this, you can see, tap on it and hold. See, hi, my name is Abdul. How are you doing? Okay, this one will insert automatically to the video. Let's listen to it.
I went to church.
Hi, my name. See, the sound is the sound. Listen. See, hi, my name is Abdul. How? Okay. So this is voiceover. So if you like the video, share it. So it will go viral. Other people also will watch. And don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment, a positive one. So anyone who comes to watch this video will know people have benefited from this video. So that's all for today. Bye.